The general feedback from most of the CRT riders was that they would prefer something a bit softer for the race weekend. So in conjunction talking with the riders, talking with Dorna and also analysing the data, it became pretty evident that a softer option for the CRT tyres for 2013 was the right direction.
Last year we saw that we never used the hard spec tyre during all the season, and so Dorna and IRTA listened to our suggestion and they decided to bring a softer spec because we never use the hard one. The Bridgestone tires need to reach the correct temperature to work properly. CRT bikes doesn't have enough power and enough acceleration to stress the tire to reach the correct temperature. So every time we put the hard spec last year, we never reached the right working temperature, and so the tire didn't get the 100% of the grip then they could supply. While with the soft spec, we could have the best grip as possible.
The construction for the tyres that the CRTs will be getting is exactly the same as the construction as the works bikes. It's just simply a matter that the compound, just the compound on top is softer. The actual construction that we introduced last year was already softer than in previous years, and the feedback from the CRT riders is that it's actually working very well with their bikes. It's just the compound that needs to be softer.
This year is use the soft tire, okay, but it's not important in every circuit because the soft tire is better for CRT because you don't have a power same the MotoGP. I like this solution for the Bridgestone solution because we have the possibility for work and the possibility for the CRT rider. It's possible, not every time, but it's possible competitive with the last MotoGP.
I think the advantage that the softer rear slick will offer the CRTs is particular for cornering, with the fact they're going to have softer compound on the shoulder of their tyre. So we may expect at races such as Jerez, which are quite tight, and where the CRTs are already quite close to the works bikes, it's going to move in that bit closer.
Bridgestone is not making a special tyre for us, it's just softer compound. The construction of the tyre is the same spec as the other compounds, the other tyres, so the behavior of the tyre is the same. It doesn't change so much the behavior of the bike. I think we should reach the race distance every time with a softer spec. Sometimes if it's too soft, we will use for the qualifying. So we will have a good tyre for the qualifying practice and we use the other spec for the race.
I think we will see some surprises within the CRTs and how they can qualify utilising this softer rear slick. At certain tracks like Jerez and Sachsenring, which are quite tight, I think we may see that some of the factory riders and satellite riders might be surprised by how close the CRT riders can get. Unfortunately, the works riders won't get access to this softer rear slick. I'm sure they'd like to. It would be a real boost for qualifying, but it's strictly for the CRT riders.